Hi, how are you?
I'm doing
I'm
well, and you?
I'm doing well today, thank you. So my name is Haley, and I am an English teacher from the United States. What's your
And
name?
and my name is Indrajit. And can you guess that where am I from?
Oh, I am not usually very good at these games. Uh, Bangladesh would be
Oh, just close. I'm from India.
India. Okay, that was my second guess. I was like, maybe I should be really specific.
Yeah. And madam, who do you live with?
I'm sorry.
Who do you live with?
So I'm currently living in London, even though I'm from the United States, and I live with two flatmates, so just friends.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And
And
how? Yeah,
what about you?
I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt and also with my grandmother.
Okay, great. So with family.
Yeah, with my family. And how long have you been teaching English on Cambly?
On Cambly, I would say probably like 4 months or so. But
Oh, so
I'm
you're a
sorry,
newcomer.
to Cambly, yes, but I've been teaching English for I think 3.5 years now. So
Oh,
just new to Cambly, not new to teaching.
oh. And I looking you are very happy. So what are the reason behind this, behind your smiling face? I
Um,
mean,
I mean,
what are the things that make you happy?
sure. That's such a good question. That's really nice. Um, I mean, I don't know. I think in general, I'm a fairly happy person,
Oh,
which I think helps. But in
yeah.
general, I really enjoy, like, part of why I wanted to continue teaching on Cambly, because I'm
Yeah,
not,
Cambly is amazing platform
yeah,
to me because I have been meeting a lot of new people from
sure.
new different countries and also learning from different cultures from different people.
Yeah. I mean, that's part of why I wanted to teach on Cambly, right? So
Yes.
I'm actually not teaching in schools this year. As a proper teacher because schools are closed. So,
Yeah, exactly. So
right.
it is the high time to work from home and also to work on online because a lot of school in India has start online classes.
Yeah. So last spring, when I was working, I started the school year working in person, right? As we all did.
Yeah,
And then when the pandemic was happening and we were meant to stay at home, at that point I was teaching class online, and
it is best.
it's very difficult, right? So it's difficult to be a student online. It's difficult to
Yeah.
teach online. But I
And
think
you have a strong connection, Wi-Fi connection or networking connection.
yeah, so that's definitely like that's a big problem for a lot of people, and fortunately, I don't have that issue right now, so that's great. Um,
That's good.
but yeah, I think Cambly is such a nice. It's like all the best parts of teaching online. I think like
Yeah.
you get to be a student, or not to be a student. Sorry, you get to be a student. I get to be a teacher, but you like get to meet new people, and you get to have is more conversation based generally, and they set you up with all of the, at least on my end, I have all of these like display tools that I can use
Yeah.
to change the screen for you, and so that we can look through things together, and it's just really simple. I think in a way that when I transitioned out of an actual classroom into a
Yeah.
virtual classroom, it really wasn't. Yeah, so I feel really lucky to be able to teach here.
Great, great. And whatever you told, it's amazing. The way of speaking is amazing.
Thank you.
And yeah. And may I know that what is your age?
I am 25.
Oh,
Mhm.
25.
Yeah. And how old are you?
I am 23.
23. Okay. So have you just finished university then?
No, I am doing bachelor degree in engineering,
Oh, in Indian.
and in the yeah in the that stream name is electronics and communication engineering.
Wow.
So only 1 year left to become graduate.
Yay, that's exciting. Almost there.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Yeah. How do you find it? Do you enjoy your degree?
Yeah,
You enjoy what you study?
a lot because I have an interest since my childhood
Interested? Mhm.
in computer. Yeah, I'm interested in from since my childhood in computer and also some technical way. So that's why I choose to this stream and I enjoy it.
Okay, so yeah, you chose this because it was something you had always liked, right?
Yeah, exactly. I'm curious about the uh, digital, digital,
The digital like world, sort of.
yeah, digital world.
So
Yeah,
is
exactly.
there anything
And
specific that's really like your thing, like really the thing that you want to focus on? So I spoke to a student, for example, earlier today, also an electrical engineer, but he's really interested in artificial intelligence, for example.
oh,
So
artificial
is
intelligence.
there
That is
something for you
great.
that you feel like, oh, this is the thing?
Yeah, I love circuit and also communication. That is communications. I want to improve communication skill
Sure.
and yeah, I love learning some different techniques from digital world. So that's why I have a lot of I am keen to learn it.
Yeah, good. I mean, I think that helps so much of just wanting to learn. I feel like is half
Yeah,
the battle, right?
and I believe that whatever you love, then you should do that.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I'm in total agreement, which is part of why I'm a teacher. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
And yeah, madam, what are the things that make you sad or unhappy?
Oh, okay. I mean, I feel like the probably some of them are similar to the things that make everyone sad, right? So,
Oh,
like the pandemic
oh,
is a bummer, and
yeah, exactly.
I guess for me specifically, I am currently living quite far away from my family. So sometimes
Yeah.
that, while it's something that I'm excited to be able to do and I'm happy to be here, it's still sometimes a bummer. Make me sad or angry. I don't know.
Or
Not that many things, to be honest.
yeah, exactly. Looking you, you are really happy person.
I mean, I like to think so. So we'll see.
And do you love food?
Yes. Oh my gosh, I love food.
So, what is the favorite food in your city you love most?
Okay, yeah. So where I'm from a state called North Carolina in the United States. It's in the southeast, um,
Okay.
and we're known for like southern food. So barbecue and fried chicken and like mashed
Oh,
potatoes
I
and mac
see.
and cheese. Like
Oh,
really
wow, great.
the really heavy foods, right? And not
Oh, I understand.
particularly healthy foods, but delicious. Not
Spicy.
yeah, like spicy and flavorful.
Wow, great.
That's something
Interest,
I love and miss, I guess.
interesting.
What about you?
And yeah, I love biryani. I want to die for biryani
You have
because it is really heavy food and spicy
mhm,
food. So I love spicy,
yeah.
not too spicy, but some spicy. So that's why I love
Do you
it.
like to cook as well or only eat?
I have an interest in cooking, but sometimes when I have free time, then I should cook
Mhm.
something for me. Otherwise, not because my aunt cooks.
Okay, so she does most of the cooking. Is she a good cook?
Yeah,
Is she a good cook?
yeah, exactly. I love her cooking, her cooked food. I love.
Yeah, that's great. Is her like specialty biryani or does she make does she have
Yeah, biryani and also fried rice and also whatever he cooks, it's really awesome to me.
that's I mean that's important in someone
I
who cooks for you.
yeah, I enjoy eating.
Sure, me too. Absolutely. That's great.
And yeah, madam, do you face what is the difficulty when you teach online or offline students?
I'm sorry, I'm not sure that I understood the question.
Yeah, do you face anything difficulty to you when teaching online or offline?
Any difficulties? Uh,
or how to take care of the students?
yeah. I mean, there's something that I think you miss a little bit of when you teach online versus in person, because like, especially for me, I was working primarily with children, with kids. So kids don't interact very well online, right? They
Oh,
get
yeah, exactly.
distracted.
It is. It is.
It's easy
Yeah,
to like
yeah.
move around and feel like playing games. And so as a teacher, that was just frustrating for everyone. You know, no one wanted to be learning like that.
Yeah, exactly. So in that case, you should be
Yeah,
entertainer.
but you have to be, when you teach online, at least still for students or for young students, you have to both teach and entertain. Like you want them to look
Yeah,
at you and
exactly.
focus on you, but you also want them to learn something. Um, so
Yeah,
many teacher friends of mine who are still teaching online and still teaching like in
yeah.
school, they often wear like costumes every day to teach their classes because they just want their kids to look at them, you know. And
Yeah,
I think
exactly,
like that's
exactly.
a massive challenge. That was a massive challenge for me, to be able to be animated,
Oh,
you know, all the time. But no, I mean, I think in general, you just, especially speaking with adults, I think at this point, most of us
yeah. That is
are,
safe. That is safe and that is
yeah,
flexible.
it's very safe, very flexible. I think at this
Yeah,
point, most adults are used to or like accustomed to communicating like this, unfortunately.
yeah,
So I think that kind of helps me in some ways, that now everyone speaks into a camera all the time.
yeah.
So when I'm doing it, I think it makes
Exactly.
it more comfortable for everyone because this is how we talk now, you know? So
Yeah,
that's,
yeah. And madam, I noticed that you wear some rings. So, is there any significant to wear ring or any for just
oh no,
ornament?
I just like them. I just really like jewelry. That's it. Um, it's
Oh,
a good
wow,
start
great.
though.
So
Yeah,
it
I have a lot of them.
those
Um,
yeah, those are really suitable for
thanks.
you.
I really like them. That's great. Do you have any?
And what is the time there?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's 6:15 in the evening.
Oh, now it is
Oh
11:45
wow,
p.m.
it's quite late for you. Will
Yeah,
you go to bed after this?
yeah, yeah. After this, because I am waiting for your
Oh right,
video.
true.
I am waiting for
Yeah,
chatting with you. So that's why,
that's fantastic.
or otherwise, in that time I have to
Yeah,
sleep.
yeah, you definitely will need to get some rest after this. I think it's great.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. My time is running out, ma'am. So it was really lovely to meet you. Great chat
Yeah,
with you, and probably I will make a reservation with you soon and have a chat.
perfect. Yeah, it was,
So, by the way, you look really
thank you.
pretty
My
in
land
wearing
it's
this
doing a lot of work.
jacket.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
and also yeah,
yeah, thank you so much for our class today and suggesting the video. That's not
yeah,
something I've done before,
yeah.
so I look forward to posting.
And next day I will make a reservation with you and a lot of
Yeah,
fun chat
perfect. Yeah, I can send you a
together.
message afterwards and send my schedule, and I can find another time.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
perfect.
Stay
Yeah,
safe, stay
thank you.
happy.
You as
Bye.
well. See you next time.